Hi, this is a quick introduction of the SME portal under CALISTA. First, we'll log in as guests. You can also choose to sign up. There are three main use cases in SME portal. First is logistics, second is compliance, and the third one is financing. So we will go through each one of them. First, for logistics, all you need to do is to fill up this form. There are certain fields that are necessary, such as the name and email. You can enter your pickup location and delivery address. Fill up all the other necessary details. And before you submit, you can review the information that you have entered. If everything is okay, click submit, and this page will show that you have successfully made a booking. Next, we can move on to compliance. Same thing, enter the necessary fields and other required information such as declaration type, information, and job details. Before you submit, you can do a review. And that's it for compliance. So as you can see, the SME portal is very flexible. There are no complex process for you to log in and access different services. All you need to do is to fill out the respective forms. And lastly, we have financing. Same as the previous two processes, enter the relevant details. And all we need is just your latest invoice, your incorporation documents, and your bank statements. After that, you can click submit. And if you need to contact us, you can use the concierge service. You can enter your queries here, and we will ask for your email address. This is to hear from you and reach out to you from here onwards. Apart from all these, there are also other use cases that we are currently enhancing, such as the trade report, market intelligence, and price index. We hope that the more you use SME portal, the more attractive you find this product is to you.